everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're gonna make a rag bow today. I'm measuring my fabric about a ½ inch, and I'm ripping it. Please subscribe to my channel where I teach you how to do fun things and take you on fun adventures sometimes. And also do some cooking every now and again. But all this material that I'm using, but the button came from Dollar Tree. But you could possibly find a button on old clothing that you don't use anymore and are throwing out or upcycled. Or even maybe possibly in your sewing box if you're a sewer. Okay. That's all we're doing of the fabric, and let's get started. All of the ribbon I'm using, but some of the beads are from Dollar Tree. So this is mainly a Dollar Tree project. This is the Easy Bow Maker. All I did was take this and fold it. And yes, you can spray starch this either before, the fabric before, or you can even spray starch it after. I sometimes spray starch and iron mine even after I made the bow. And then there's people too that just like theirs unstarched. That's fine too. I'm going to make 4 loops with the white fabric. And then I'm going to take whatever colored ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be doing a peach tulip wreath. So I decided I'm peach and white tulip wreath. So I decided to do the white, do a little white fabric with some peach ribbon. And then I'm going to add, this is the lace from the Dollar Tree, which I really love. I think it looks good in rag bows, corsages. I think it just looks really pretty, makes your bows look really pretty. And this is leftover, so it's leftover from another project. I think it was corsages. Because I do corsages for homecoming, because I know that's coming up. And I do corsages for homecoming that you can order from my Etsy shop and have it shipped. And they're silk corsages. I do have those available. And that's where this lace came from. And then I'm going to add just a touch more of this. This is a modified rag bow with unwired ribbon and beads. I think that rag bows look prettier with the more embellishments. So if you can put more embellishments in it, I think it even looks prettier. And you could definitely go more of the material if you want more of the material. It's your choice, it's your bow. And then you just pull this out and then spin the material or the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner. And remember, the worst thing to do is to lose your center on your rag bow, because sometimes it can be very difficult to find your center after you lose them. So the best way to keep your center is to add an embellishment in the center, either a brooch. This is a button, really pretty button. Whatever you want for your center. I'm going to put this really pretty button in the center. And I think these bows, they're easy bows, looks cute with little different embellishments in the center. Just makes for a more classy bow. And I may add some more tails. I think that needs a little bit more tails on it. So I may add some more tails in the back. Because my tails aren't long enough. Gonna add a couple more tails. The bow's cute, but the tails are wimpy. So I added, and you can just go back and add as many as you want. You just twist those off. But here's what the bow looks like. It needs a little fluffing, but needs a little fluffing, but there's what our bow looks like. I'll go back and fluff, and I'll also starch it to make it be a little bit more stiff. But if you don't like it stiff and you want it more floppy, then more than gladly go ahead and leave it the way it is. But this is a small rag bow because this is going to be for a small wreath. It's not going to, and I may trim off this tail here. But this is our small rag bow with ribbon, which you can definitely add more white in it if you like. But I wanted to go small because it's going to be a very small wreath, which will be on my next video. So if you are liking what you see on this bow, I am going to be doing a tulip wreath to go with this bow for part 2. So please subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications for when I upload my tulip wreath video, which will be next. Thank you for joining me, and bye.